To make a checklist in Markdown, head over to a Markdown file and edit it. And then you can make a regular list like so. This is a list. And when you preview it, you'll see that you have a bulleted list right here. But to turn that into a checklist, you add what look like checkboxes, and that's kind of an easy way to remember it, where when you have this little box with the brackets in here, that's how you make a checklist. So we could say we need to finalize the bookstore, update dependencies, add archiving feature, or whatever you'd like. And so when you hit preview here, now you can see that these are actual checkboxes. So I'm going to commit that right here and say add checklist and commit it directly to the branch. Now, when you look at this, you have these checkboxes, but you can't necessarily click them because that actually edits the Markdown underneath. That being said, if you go to GitHub issues and make an issue that allows you to make a checklist, this is what it looks like. And so if I were to edit this right here, you could see it's the exact same thing where you have the brackets right after a dash, and then you have this little X right here whenever you want to check it off. So if I wanted to check this off, it's as easy as pie, you just do that. And then you can kind of rearrange the bullets if you want with these 6 dots here on the side here. And then you can also click this dot 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 menu on the right and move an item up, for example, or you could say I want to convert this into an issue. So now this update dependencies checkbox is an issue. And then if I wanted to make a pull request, I could make a pull request that goes against that issue right here. And then it ends up being listed in the previous issue. And so it's a way to kind of just project plan a little bit better and connect issues and pull requests all together at once. Now let's just say I have a checklist and a pull request. If I have this finalized website changes in the pull request right here, it's the exact same thing. Let's just say I'm going to check off all of these items, or I could say I only want to check off a few of them. If you look at the list of pull requests in this list, you can see 2 of 3 tasks right here. And that keeps track of how many tasks are completed in the pull request before you can actually say, okay, this PR is done. And that is how checklists work in Markdown and on GitHub.